Hello everyone, to record in AVI format, go to the output window and click on the gear button. Inside here, tick AVI and do the setting. You can select the directory you want to save. For example, desktop. You can also select the encoder you want. Click the gear button to do the setting of the encoder. After you're done, click OK. To start recording, click the record button. When the recording is successful, it will change to the red color. You can check the status by clicking this button. You can see the information here. To stop, click again this record button. So let's go to the directory, which is desktop, to check the recorded file. So the recorded file is right here in the API format. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.